topic 2, SAP ERP releases. SAP ERP SAP ERP is the name of the software. SAP ERP is the name of the software. SAP ERP is software product. SAP ERP versions. Now we want to know what are the versions they release. Actually, in olden days, there are so many versions is there. Present, you want to know some versions only. What are that versions we want to know? Okay, present, we want to know before so many releases is there, we leave all the releases. Present, we want to know these are the versions. SAP Enhancement Package 1. SAP Enhancement Package 1 for SAP ERP 6.0. It is called as SAP, another name also is there. It is called as SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 1, like that also it is called. SAP Enhancement Package 1 for SAP ERP 6.0. It is called as SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 1. EHP means Enhancement Package 1. In which year it is released? In 2006 it is released. In which year? In 2006. Mainstream maintenance date end is this year end, 2025. That means when you see SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 1 is available for installing purpose. Now I want to install SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 1 means it is available because mainstream maintenance date is not completed. That means that software is available for installing purpose. SAP Enhancement Package 2 for SAP ERP 6.0. In shortcut, it is called as SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 2. In which year it is released? In 2007, it is released. 2025 is the mainstream maintenance date. 2007, 2025. This year end, that software, up to this year end only, that software is available for installing and using purpose. Next year onwards, that SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 1, this SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 2, these two versions is not available. But now I want to install SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 1 and SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 2 is supported. And one more point, it is also enterprise management software. SAP ERP also enterprise management. Enterprise management. Means it is enterprise business software, enterprise software, enterprise managed software. They tell it there. Next, which they release? SAP Enhancement Package 3 for SAP ERP 6.0. So in shortcut, it is called as SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 3. In which year it is released? In 2008 it is released. 2025 is the mainstream maintenance end date. 2008, 2025. That means This version also is available now. Installation is possible. This version is available for installing purpose. Next, SAP enhancement package 4 for SAP ERP 6.0. In shortcut, it is called as SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 4. In 2009, it is released 2025. In 2009, it is released 2025, the mainstream maintenance end date. So these 4 versions this year end will be complete. Next year onwards, these 4 versions is not available. But now it's possible to use that 4 versions. Next, SAP enhancement package 5 for SAP ERP 6.0. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 5. In 2011, it is released 2025. 2011, 2025. This one also up to this year only, that version is available for installing and using purpose. Next year onwards, this version is not available for installing purpose. Next one, SAP enhancement package 6 for SAP ERP 6.0. It is called as SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 6. In 2012, it is released 2027. 2012, it is released. Mainstream maintenance end date is 2027. Extended maintenance date is the 2030. So this version also is available for installing purpose. That means next year, these 5 versions will be expired. Next year onwards, in SAP ERP, these 5 versions is not available. Next, SAP enhancement package 7 for SAP ERP 6.0. In shortcut, you called as SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 7. In 2013, it is released 2027 and extended maintenance date is 2030. 2027. 2013, 2027. This is the previous version. This is the previous version. SAP ERP 6. SAP enhancement package 8 for SAP ERP 6.0. It is called as SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 8. This is the latest version. In 2016, it is released 2027, 2030. 2016, it is released 2027 and mainstream maintenance. So, clearly what here you saw, this extended maintenance date is 2030. Extended maintenance date for that one is 2030. This extended maintenance date is 2030. This extended maintenance date is 2030. But up to 2027 only. Clearly, I told one important point here. This is the latest one. Okay, here what means I am telling, this is the latest one and this is the previous one. So this year end will be completed means this 5 versions will be expired. So this year end means next year onwards, next year from 2026 year onwards, this 5 versions is not available for installing purpose. Only these 3 versions only is available for installing using purpose. But when 2027 year is completed, these 3 versions also is not available until 2027 year only. From 2028 year onwards, SAP ERP version is not available. SAP ERP software is not available for installing and using purpose. From 2028 year onwards, SAP software, sorry, SAP ERP software is not available. They are not releasing. They are not releasing. Why they are not releasing? Why they are not releasing means actually SAP ERP latest software is SAP S/4HANA. SAP ERP only. SAP ERP is SAP ERP only. SAP ERP only. It is SAP S/4HANA. SAP ERP, SAP S/4HANA. So SAP ERP latest name is SAP S/4HANA. SAP ERP latest name is SAP S/4HANA. You see here means SAP ERP 6.0 EHP latest final version. This is the version, latest version, and release date is in 2016. From 2016 onwards only SAP S/4HANA is released. SAP S/4HANA last version release year is 2016. From 2016 onwards only SAP S/4HANA they started to release. They are not releasing SAP ERP from 2016 onwards. Why means SAP ERP software only SAP S/4HANA software. They just change the name. They just change the name. SAP ERP only SAP S/4HANA. So actually I told after another important point. Here. Okay, you got it clearly. What are the versions is available now? You got it clearly. In SAP ERP, all versions is available this year. But next year onwards, this 5 versions is not available. Up to 2027 only, this SAP ERP software is available. At the end of from 2028 year onwards, SAP ERP software is not available for installing and using purpose. That's you want to know important. Until 2028 only, the SAP ERP software is available. All of you installing and using purpose. Okay, now SAP ERP is supported for installing ABAP-based SAP system. In shortcut, you call it as ABAP. Means by using SAP ERP, you install ABAP system only. SAP ERP is not supported for installing Java system. SAP ERP not supported for installing Java system. Here clearly I show. Here, ERP ABAP is there. ERP ABAP is there. There is no ERP Java. Here, EHP8 for SAP ERP ABAP is there. Here, there is no EHP8 for SAP ERP Java. That means SAP ERP is not supported for installing Java system. SAP ERP supported for installing only ABAP system only. But here in olden days, now I'm talking about olden days. Olden days, here you saw this is the old book, SAP certification book. I am opening that old SAP certification book. Here SAP ERP. Here what they're telling, you want to install SAP ECC system. What they're telling? Install an SAP ERP central component. What is this SAP ERP central component? SAP ECC. SAP ECC full form is SAP ERP central component. SAP S for HANA server system. I told it is one of the SAP system, no? Like SAP ECC is one of the SAP system. SAP ECC you called as SAP system or component. SAP ECC latest name is SAP S for HANA server system. Okay, SAP ECC only. Now it is SAP S for HANA. SAP ECC is one of the SAP system. SAP S for HANA server is one of the SAP system. How you install SAP ECC system? How you install SAP ECC system? By using SAP ERP product versions. SAP ERP product version ASAP. So in company they told you like this. Here what they tell in company like this, they told you install an SAP ECC system. Install an SAP ECC system. So how you install SAP ECC system? By using SAP ERP product version, you install SAP ECC system. By using SAP ERP product, you are installing SAP ECC system. That means in company, there are so many SAP ECC systems is there. SAP ECC systems means they use SAP ERP product version, they install SAP ECC system. SAP ECC system is the ABAP based SAP system. It is ABAP system. SAP ECC system is ABAP system. Now here you saw install an SAP XSS system. SAP XSS. SAP employee and manager self services. SAP XSS means SAP employee and manager self services. How you install SAP XSS system? By using SAP ERP product versions AS Java. SAP XSS is the Java system. SAP XSS is the Java system. By using SAP ERP Java. Here I show the company systems now. Okay, product, SAP ERP, type, ABAP. So SAP ERP product, SAP ERP product, SAP ERP product, ABAP is there. That means by using SAP ERP product, they install ABAP system. That is, these are all SAP ECC system. These are all SAP ECC systems. Now I select Java. Here Java systems also is there. SAP ERP, Java is there. SAP XSS system. But here in golden days is there. You see this book is in 2016. Here is there. Install an SAP XSS. But when it is in 2018, I think this 2018 this book. Up to 2018 year, SAP ERP supported for installing Java system. Means we want to install SAP ERP Java system, means it's supported by using SAP ERP. Nowadays it's not supported. Nowadays, I want to install SAP ERP Java is not supported. Why? Means here there is no installation option. SAP ERP Java installation option is not available here. That's why I want to install SAP ERP Java is not supported because there is no installation option. Without installation option, how do I install SAP ERP Java? So that means nowadays SAP ERP supported only for installing ABAP system only. SAP ERP supported for installing only ABAP system only. That means by using SAP ERP product, you are installing SAP ECC system only. SAP ECC is the ABAP based SAP system. SAP ERP is not supported for installing Java based SAP system. It's clear. Now, you want to know, I'm showing only less releases only here. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8. SAP underscore basis. SAP underscore APA. I'm showing only less releases only, not showing all, I'm not telling all details here in SAP ERP. Okay, now we see the SAP ERP systems. We see only less systems only. P3F. P3F. Okay, EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0. SAP Basis 750. APA 750. SAP Basis 750. APA also 750. Here one difference is there. What is that difference is, so in SAP S4HANA only, they show SAP underscore SAP ABA 75A, 75B like that. In other product version, they did not show like that. For example, SAP Basis Release 750 means SAP AB also they show 750 only. But only in SAP S4HANA only, they show like 75A, 75B, 75C like that, SAP underscore ABA. Here you got one point. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP release and SAP S4HANA 1511 release, both are same, 750. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP release and SAP S4HANA 1511 both releases are 750 only. Now SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 7 we want to see. EHP 7. SM3. EHP 7 for SAP ERP 6.3. 740 release. ABI 740, basis 740. 740 release. 740 release. It is 731. Now we want to see EHP 6 AVN. AVN. EHP 6 for SAP ERP 6.0. 731. 731. 731. And EHP 5 also is there. We check that one. EHP 5 also is there. We check. EXP. Yeah, EHP 5 for SAP ERP 6.0. 702. 702 EHP 5. 702. EHP 4 is there. EHP 4 I'm not showing there. In book I show EHP 4 release. In book I show M1. EHP 4 701. EHP 4 701. EHP 3, EHP 2, EHP 1, EHP, that all 700. EHP 3, 2, 1 is 700. SAP ERP 6.0 also is there. That is also 700. SAP ERP 6.0. SAP ERP 6.0 KET. SAP ERP 6.0. 700 release. Okay, SAP ERP 6.0 release, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 1 release, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 2 release, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 3 release is 700. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 4 release is 701. EHP 5 release is 702. EHP 6 release is 731. EHP 7 release is 740. EHP 8 release is 750. These are the releases of SAP ERP, and SAP ECC system is supported for practice. SAP BASIS minimum 4 GB RAM required. Minimum 4 GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk. But SAP ERP also big system. I show that one also. SAP ERP. Actually, here what you know, you want to install SAP ERP 6.0 separately is possible. And SAP NetWeaver 7.5 separately is possible for installing. But here I show, once again, the systems I show. The systems I show clearly, imported clearly. P3F. This is SAP ERP 6.0 EH8. No, here you see. Not clear. I show separately. Okay, I go to plan a new system. SAP ERP. EH8 for SAP ERP. Okay, here you see EH8 for SAP ERP 6.0 by using SAP. Okay, here I. So by using EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0, you are installing SAP ECC system. Yes, but here you are not installing only SAP ECC system. You got SAP ECC server and you got application server ABAP also. In SAP ERP, SAP NetWeaver also is available. When you install SAP ERP 6.0 EH8, in that SAP NetWeaver, SAP ERP 6.0, three systems you get. SAP ERP 6.0 EH8 and SAP ERP 6.0 and this one. So what here you are getting? Central applications, SAP ECC server, application server ABAP. How you get application server ABAP in NetWeaver? Application server ABAP. Okay, we go to, I'll go back. ECC, SAP ERP. Now I go to EHP7. Here so many systems is there by default. Here you saw, you are installing EHP7 for SAP ERP 6.0, SAP NetWeaver 7.4, SAP NetWeaver 7.4. This means this is ERP also big system. EHP6. EHP6 means SAP NetWeaver 1.31 is there, I think. Okay, EHP6, SAP ERP 6.0, SAP EHP3 for SAP NetWeaver 7.0, SAP Enhancement Package 3 for SAP NetWeaver 7.0. EHP5, Enhancement Package 2 for SAP NetWeaver 1.0, SAP ERP 6.0, EHP5 for SAP ERP 6.0. So in SAP ECC system, you got SAP NetWeaver also. SAP ECC also big system. So SAP S/4HANA server system is supported for practicing SAP BASIS. SAP ECC system also is supported for practicing SAP BASIS. This is about SAP ECC. Nowadays, SAP ECC, SAP ERP supported for installing only ABAP based SAP system only. It is not supported for installing Java based SAP system.